Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. From today onwards, we are going to start a new series and the topic of the series is Power BI. So the first step is to see how to download Power BI on your system. So what you do is you go on your browser and search Power BI download. When you search Power BI download, the first topic, the first search result is download Power BI desktop. Just click it and it will ask you to it will give a download button for the Power BI desktop. Click on the download button and then it will give you the different setups it has. So I'll select the 64 version of the setup. Click download. Once the package is downloaded, now let's start up with the installation process. When we will click the downloaded package, it will first ask us to select a language. I will select English and click next. Okay, so now it again asks me some terms and condition and I will just say next. I accept these terms and click next again. Now it tells me at which location it will install the Power BI. So if you want to change this location, you can click change and point out to the location where you want it to install. But I'm fine with this location. So I will just say next. And now the last step is to click install. So now the Power BI is installed on my system and I see the last screen that it says is finish. So I'll just click finish and it should launch the Power BI. Okay. Okay, so now we are in Power BI and this is how the Power BI looks. You can just click blank report to view the different options it has, how to get data into Power BI, modeling, and different visualization it has. So this is the home screen of Power BI. So this was just an introduction video where I wanted you to show how to download and install Power BI on your system. So before I move on to my next video, I will also give you a brief on what language does Power BI use. So as you all know that every tool has its own programming language. Similarly, Power BI uses DAX. So what is DAX? DAX is basically data analysis expression. So that is the full form of DAX, data analysis expression. Now what is the structure on which Power BI works? So Power BI works on data models. So that is the structure on Power BI works. Now what is data model in simple words is that a data model is made up of multiple tables. It could be one or n number of tables, and each table is linked by a relationship. So this is a relationship. This is a relationship which is linking the tables. Now these relationships has two major properties. One is the kind of relationship and second is the kind of filtering on those relationship. Now, as you see one over here and a star, so star means many and one means one. So this table one and table two is linked as one to many relation, and table two to table three is linked as many to one relation. One more difference you must be seeing is of these arrows. So here we have a single arrow. That means the arrow refers to the filtering. So that it means this is just one directional filtering. And where you see these dual arrows pointing to both side, it means bi-directional filtering. So what are these? What are the meaning of these relationship? What is the meaning of these filtering, and what is DAX? DAX is a huge topic in itself. So From video onwards, we will discuss DAX in detail. And if you have used Excel or SQL before, you might find some similarities and some differences when you use DAX and Excel. So one difference I would like to tell you between Excel and Power BI is that Excel works on cell. So in Excel, when we have to refer to this cell, we write the coordinates of this cell. But that doesn't work in Power BI. Power BI works on rows and columns. So from next video onwards, we'll take a sample data and we will start using DAX. So that's it for this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to view my next videos on Power BI. If you're new to Power BI, I'm sure that my videos will definitely help you. Please leave your feedback in the comment section, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.